When the sun goes down, most homes disappear into the dark. At Illumination FL, we help homeowners throughout South Florida bring their properties to life after dark with professionally designed landscape lighting that enhances beauty, safety, and curb appeal.
At Illumination FL, we believe great lighting should not only look beautiful, but also complement the architecture and landscaping in a natural and timeless way.
On this channel, we'll show you how great outdoor lighting works, from design ideas and installation to the small details that make a property truly stand out at night. If you want to learn how to make your home safer, more beautiful, and more enjoyable at night, subscribe for lighting ideas, real projects, and expert advice from Illumination FL.